Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to auto like for Reel video on Facebook. So as you may know, for Facebook Reels is to be distributed more widely. So you need to have account engaging with the video early by watching, commenting and liking the video. This activity signal will show Facebook that the video is gaining attention from many people and it will be recommended more. To achieve this, you need multiple accounts to interacting. You can see here I have more than 1,000 accounts. So this is my software. This is account management. This will help you to add and manage multiple TikTok accounts. You see. And to gain more views, liking for Reels video, you go to viral marketing section, go to seeding post. I will take a Reel video, copy this, and then I will take the UID, go to here, there I have the video, and then you go to seeding post. Here you enter the UID here, and then you can select release the emotion you want, like like, love. You can comment to post here. Each comment content is aligned. Let's save, and then you will set up here a number of thread is the mean your number of account you're running at the same time, and distance between two interaction is mean after the account like it will wait 5 to 10 seconds. I will choose the account. After that you press start. You see the software will automatically open the account and then log in to every account, and then we'll go to the video reels you want to interact with that video. You can watch the screen for more. So here you can see all the comment is here. So basically I just show you how to use the software to like and commenting and view the Reel video you have. If you need more information, you can text me on my Telegram or WhatsApp. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.